also my friends here at Times Travel are just setting up the bike for my touring. Yes, Tso Moriri! Very, very dedicated guys. Good job, boys. Basically, all my belongings are packed on the bike, including 2 cans of oil. That's my backpack there. Backpack and my little bag there. So far, the ride has been bloody awesome. I'm just one man with one bike and 2 spare fuel tanks. It should be enough. There shouldn't be any issues. The only issue that there could be is puncturing a tire or crashing or going off the side of a cliff. But I mean, that wouldn't really be a problem if I went off the side of a cliff because I'd be dead and then I wouldn't have to think about it. This is literally unreal. I've been driving for like miles and there's freaking no one. Like no other cars, no one. Just road and mountains. It's amazing. Okay, that's the first car. That's literally the first car for like 5 kilometers. Yeah, so for my 220 kilometer journey, I've been quite responsible. I've packed the necessities. 2 bottles of water, 2 liters, and spare fuel, of course, and 2 packets of Lay's chips. All the nutrition I need. Now I don't know if these guys are dangerous or not, but I think it's lunchtime and I need some companionship. Wow, so cute. Well, this is a nice place to have a bit of a nibble. There's like no one here. That's amazing in the way that it's very peaceful, something that you rarely experience, and it's also bad in the way that if something were to happen to my bike or me, who's going to come and help me? Food time. Let's eat with my new friends. Fucking fuck. Holy shit. I just recorded that on my frigging bike. Shit. Oh fuck, the fucking oil's coming out. Shit. Oh my god. Fuck, right now I need someone to help me. The wind pushed down, can you help me? Gale is coming out there. The man who saved me. Thank you. So lucky that that guy came. Like, you guys saw that. I was walking back to my bike and the wind just pushed it over. What happened was, see that? The freaking road is not a proper road. It just pushed it down. And then the stand and the weight just threw it on the ground. There's my bag. It's not so bad that the bike fell. The bad thing is that my fuel was leaking and I need that fuel. There's no petrol station that way. So now sadly I have to go back and get fuel again.
Just go relax, go relax. Just go relax, go relax.
Oh, now that cunt was helpful, wasn't he? I have Google Maps. I don't need anyone. There's still 3 hours to go. Oh my god. So I did an hour and 40 minutes of what Google told me would be an hour and 40 minutes. I did that in 4 hours. So that means this 3 hours and 18 minutes should take me 6 hours and 40 minutes nearly. Fuck, I gotta hurry up. No more mucking around. Let's go. Shit. Look at that. Here we go. So I just ate my second and last packet of Lay's chips. I lost a water bottle. It somehow jumped out of the bag. If you can see this. Anyway, I'll tell you what it says. From where I am, another 74 kilometers. And it thinks that it will take 2 hours and 6 minutes. So either that means the road's going to be really, really bad, or Google Maps could be wrong. It's 5:36 p.m. It's freaking cold up here. It's like 4,500 meters above sea level, and I've reached the lake that comes before Tso Moriri. This lake is called, I don't know, I can't remember what it's called. It's a really lame name. It's like Lovely Lake or something. That's the name of it. But anyway, there's a lake. Looks pretty beautiful lake. Yeah. Woohoo! Damn, I'm tired. Wow, this is probably the most beautiful place I have ever been in my whole life. this is even more beautiful than Pangong Lake. It was worth the 8.5 hours that it took me to get here one way, and the countless times that I almost fell over, got stuck in the friggin' sand, got sunburnt, got frozen on the way down here, or up here, and having to pay 3,000 rupees, which is $60 for some crappy little bedroom. But you know what? After such a huge struggle, crappy little bedroom is all I need and is all I want. Well, actually, I would prefer a 5-star hotel, but it's good enough.